Good morning, students. Am I audible? Good morning, all of you. Am I audible or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait 2 to 3 minutes, then we will start the session. Okay. Okay, I think the in the last class we have discussed about the properties of Boolean algebra, and in that class we also started the discussion about the properties, that is the associative law, distributive law, commutative law, and there is another law, that is the trans law, or you can say property, that is the uh, transposition laws. Okay, so one thing, and that one information for you people, that your lab session, I already informed the CR through phone call, that your lab session from this week Actually, you already know that your theory class is combined with ECE and CAC. So, and from this week, the lab session is also combined, and in the on the Saturday, third and fourth period is your lab session for the class of digital electronics and logic design. Okay. CAC, hello. Hello. Are you getting
Yes,
the
sir.
point? Yeah, actually,
Yes, sir.
for CAC, it is scheduled that it was scheduled that the your lab session is Friday, but from this week actually it is scheduled the Saturday, third and fourth period. One thing, and in the last class we already discussed these three, and there is one, that is the transposition law. We will discuss first, and after that the theorem. Two theorem we will discuss. It is very very important. That is the De Morgan's theorem and the conscious theorem. Okay. So these are the things. And one thing you can check today your Google Classroom, that I already shared the 9 or 10 YouTube links, video link, and within today I will share all the video links for your requirement. Okay. Is there any doubt now?
No, sir.
Okay. And yes, today I will share all the video links, and day by day I will also provide you the supportive notes for each and every topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first, in the last class we have discussed the properties of Boolean algebra, and in that class we discussed the commutative, distributive, and associative law. So can you tell me what is commutative law, or what are the laws for commutative? Hello. In the last class we have already discussed what is commutative law.
Sir, that is A plus B is equal to B plus.
A plus B equals to B plus A, and A into B equals to B into A. These are the two laws actually for commutative laws. Okay. Next, anyone tell what is associative laws? What is associative laws?
A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, like in bracket.
Yeah. So this is the associative law, and the third one, that is the distributive law. So what is the distributive law?
A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC.
AB plus AC. So these are the three laws we already discussed, and I will discuss one, that is the transposition laws. Okay. So what is transposition law? Transposition law actually is that I am here writing, that is the A B plus A bar C equals to A plus C into A bar plus B. Okay. So this is the transposition law. So how actually we will prove first that how it is coming. Okay. So first, if we will take the right hand side, so right hand side, that is A plus C into A bar plus B. Okay. So first we will multiply. So A into A bar plus A bar into C. Next is AB plus BC. Okay. So can you tell me when there is A into A bar means the digit is multiplied with its complement. So in that case, it is 0. Always remember. Okay. So next is that A bar C plus AB plus BC. Okay. So our aim is to get
यहाँ पे a into a bar 0 होता है सर, शायद 1
A into A bar. हेलो
1 होता है शायद सर.
A into A bar 1 नहीं होता है, A into A bar 0 होता है.
ओके सर.
So यहाँ पर to get the left hand side, that is AB plus A bar C, we will do here, we will just multiply with 1. So 1, the place of 1 we just simplified, or you can say we just modified here. So what is the modification here? That is A bar C plus AB plus BC. In the place of 1 we can write A plus A bar. So A plus A bar means 1. You can check. So after that, A bar C plus AB. This is A, B, and C, and this is A bar B, C. Now we are just take factorization here. So this is the 2 part and this is the 2 part. So from this second and third term we are taking common, that is the AB. So if we will take AB, so in that case it is 1 plus C. And for the first and fourth term we are taking common, that is A bar C. A bar C means this is 1 plus what? 1 plus B.
Yes.
So you just remember, when you will get 1 plus something, in that case it is always 1. Okay. So 1 plus C means 1 and 1 plus B means 1. So AB into 1 plus A bar C into 1. So it is AB plus A bar C. So this is our left hand side. It is proved. This is called the transposition laws or theorem. Okay, is there any doubt?
सर यहाँ पे जैसे सेकेंड स्टेप में ए बार सी
एक
प्लस
मिनट हाँ बोलो आकाश.
हम अनुज पूछ रहे हैं कि
हाँ,
यहाँ पे
बोलो.
यहाँ पे जैसे सेकेंड स्टेप है जहाँ पे आप बीसी में 1 मल्टीप्लाई किए हैं, तो सर वहाँ पे जैसे कि ये जो फॉर्मूला है, तब ए बी प्लस ए बार सी की जगह ए बी प्लस ए बार सी प्लस बीसी इज इक्वल टू ये फॉर्मूला भी तो हो सकता है.
नहीं, एक्चुअली तुम किसी भी तरह से कर सकते हो, बट योर एम that should become that here A B plus A bar C. Our aim is to get the left hand side, that is AB plus A bar C. Okay, I am here just putting 1 here in the end position, that is BC into 1, but you can change also, but at the output you should get that AB plus A bar C. If another way you will get AB plus A bar C, there is no issue, but the logic should be correct.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि क्या ये फॉर्मूला हो सकता है कि a बार c प्लस ab प्लस bc इज इक्वल टू
a bar c
प्लस ab प्लस bc इज इक्वल टू a प्लस c इंटू a बार प्लस b, ऐसे ये जो फॉर्मूला का
एक मिनट तुम बोलो, एक बार फिर से बोलो। a bar c
प्लस bc प्लस ab
सॉरी प्लस ab
प्लस bc इज इक्वल टू a प्लस c सर a प्लस c इंटू होल का इंटू हाँ a बार प्लस b,
a बार प्लस b।
यस सर, ये जो फॉर्मूला का ये जो सर ये फॉर्मूला हो सकता है ना?
तुम ये डी मॉर्गन करके बोल रहे हो ना?
नहीं सर, ये तो सिंपली जो सेकंड स्टेप आया है ना,
सेकंड स्टेप हाँ आया है।
हाँ तो हम इसी का ये बस कर ले कि ये और ये इसका जो आया है वो भी तो राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल होगा
हाँ
ना? तो हम बस
तुम सेकंड स्टेप पर जो तुम आया है तुम वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में अभी बोले हो ए बार सी प्लस ए बी प्लस बी सी, और राइट हैंड साइड में जो तुम बोल रहे हो ए प्लस सी इंटू ए बार प्लस बी, ये तुमको तुम डी मॉर्गन थ्योरम से बोल रहे हो, क्योंकि वहां पर है ए बी, हेलो
यस सर,
वहां पर है ए बी प्लस ए बार सी। तुम राइट हैंड साइड कैसे बोल रहे हो?
सर ये तो बस हम फॉर्मूला देख के बोल रहे हैं कि ये ए बी प्लस ए बार सी को हम जब सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो ये एक्सप्रेशन आ रहा है, और यहाँ पे इक्वेशन से ये इक्वेशन
तो
2 था, तो इसीलिए
मल्टीप्लाई करके एक्सपेंड कर रहे हो ना?
यस सर।
हाँ हो सकता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। एक्चुअली ये एक फॉर्मूला है, तुम किसी भी जगह पर इस तरह का तुमको आएंगे तो तुम ये यूज कर सकते हो। सपोज यू विल गेट any time in Boolean expression that a plus c into a bar plus b type. So in that case, in simplified version, you can write that ab plus a bar c. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. Okay. So next, okay. So property is almost over. Actually, these 4 properties is much useful for the Boolean algebra. So next 2 is the theorem. You can say that is the De Morgan's theorem and Conscious theorem. Okay. So first I will write the De Morgan's theorem. Just give me a few seconds. Wait a minute. Next is that the De Morgan's theorem. It is very important, De Morgan's theorem. Okay. So De Morgan theorem. You just always remember the De Morgan theorem. The first law is a plus b bar equals to a bar into b bar. And the second law, law number 2, is just opposite. So it is a bar plus b bar. Okay, you just always remember this De Morgan's theorem, because in simplified version, when we will get a mathematical problem, so in that case sometimes you will always use this De Morgan's theorem. Okay, today definitely after this I will give you some problem, and I also discuss some problem regarding the Boolean algebra or Boolean arithmetic here. Okay, so these things. And the last, that is the Conscious theorem. So what is Conscious theorem? concession theorem. So it is AB plus A bar C plus BC equals to AB plus A bar C. Okay, so how it is coming? I am here proving the left hand side. So that is here AB plus A bar C plus BC. Okay, so we can write here that is the AB plus A bar C plus BC into 1. In the place of 1, we can easily write A plus A bar, because A plus A bar means 1. Yes or no? A plus A bar equals to 1 or not?
Yes.
So it is AB plus A bar C plus BC A plus A bar. So here we are getting that AB plus A bar C plus ABC plus A bar BC. Okay. Now we are taking common AB. So if we are taking common AB, so it is just in this position. So it is 1 plus, sorry, in this position, first and third, 1 plus C, and the second one it is A bar C. So it is 1 plus B. So 1 plus C. 1 plus C means, just few seconds ago, I have told that 1 plus something means what?
1.
1. Very good. So it is AB into 1 plus A bar C into 1. So it is AB plus A bar C. This is our right hand side. This proved. This is the Consensus theorem. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now I will give you some expression, and I want the simplified version of that expression. Okay. Here I am giving you A plus B plus C bar, AB plus A C bar on whole bar. Reduce this expression. What is the final result of this expression? Okay, I will give you 2 to 3 minutes to solve this problem. Then you just tell what is your answer. It is not a plus b. I think there is you made little bit mistakes. Apart from Uttam, anyone else?
Sir, A plus A bar, B plus B bar, C plus C bar.
No.
Sir, A plus B plus A bar into C bar.
No. Okay, I will just give you 1 minute, then we will discuss. And one thing that in this class or in our classes, we will discuss or we will some problem, but you have to regular basis, you have to do this type of problem in your home. Okay, is there any doubt? You can ask, no issue. But without your practice, you cannot do in the examination. Okay, so I will try my level best that as much as possible I will do in the classes, but um, in your practice session in your home, you just do as much as you can. Okay, so now see the solution. So first, here you can see this is a plus, in the bracket this is b plus c bar into ab plus a into c bar upon whole bar. Okay, so first this portion, just 1 minute before start the session, within 1 minute you just write your name in the chat box for the attendance. Hurry up, we'll cover today lots of topics. Be fast. Only we got like 10 response or 12, but there is 25 students. All of you have given? Okay, so I think, oh, okay, so the bracket part, this is here, that is the ab plus a into c bar upon whole bar. So first we will apply here the De Morgan's law. So if we will apply the De Morgan's law, so we can write here a plus b plus c bar, in the bracket it is a b bar into a C bar upon whole bar. It is right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next step, A plus B plus C bar. Again, we will apply the De Morgan's theorem. So if we will apply here De Morgan's theorem, we can easily write here A bar plus B bar into A bar plus C bar, C double bar. C double bar means what? C?
C.
Yes. So this is C bracket close. So after that, we will do the multiplication. So here we can write this is A plus B plus C bar. So this is first A bar into A bar. Next is A bar into C plus A bar into B bar plus B bar into C. We just multiplied each other. After that, we can write here A plus B plus C bar into A bar into A bar plus A bar C into C bar plus A bar B bar C bar into here C bar B bar into C. It is right or wrong?
सर सर यहाँ पे प्लस होगा ना, ए बार बी बार प्लस सी बार
हाँ
प्लस।
हाँ हाँ, यहाँ पर ठीक ठीक है, ठीक है, इस तक ठीक है या yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, so here from this A bar into A bar, so when you will get this type of, so here you are also getting that no, just 1 minute. So A bar into A bar, when you will get, so it is like A plus B plus C bar into A bar. Okay. Next is, and one thing, when you will get C into C bar, means C and C bar its complement, so in that case it is 0. So 0 into A bar means it is 0.
सर
Plus
वहाँ पे ए बार इंटू ए बार होता है।
A bar into A bar पर A bar होता है, हाँ ठीक है। B bar into B bar means B bar, like that. तो यहाँ पर हमको मिल रहा है A bar, यहाँ पर C into C bar, C into C bar means 0, so 0 into A bar means 0. Next is A bar B bar C bar, and after that again here C into C bar, so means 0 into B bar, so it is 0. Okay, so next is that A plus यहाँ पर B plus A bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar. After that it is AB plus A into A bar into, sorry, यहाँ पर A into A bar into C bar, yes, plus यहाँ पर A into A bar B bar C bar. So A into A bar means, so from the first we are getting AB.
सर यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कैसे किए, यहाँ पे तो प्लस का साइन था ना, ऐसे आप सभी में मल्टीप्लाई करती हैं, यहाँ तो प्लस था।
अच्छा, हम क्वेश्चन में प्लस दिए थे। अच्छा अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
सर
अच्छा ठीक, तो यहाँ पर होगा एक्चुअली I made a mistake. Actually I want to give the A into, but I have made here plus. Okay, so your result is correct. Okay, I think your result is correct that you mentioned in the chat box, that is a plus b bar. Okay, so if we consider here, I'm just trying to explain this explanation. So in that case, it is, if we consider it is not multiplied, so if we consider it is multiplied, so in that case it is ab plus a bar c. A into a bar means 0, and again it is a into a bar means 0. So from this it is ab. Yes, I made a mistake whenever I was giving you the question. I want to give that, but I actually give this question to you. Okay, so have you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will give you another problem. Okay, b plus bc into b plus b bar c plus b plus d. This is your second problem. Actually, the time is almost over for the first session. Okay, so if the link is disconnected, so you just join in the same link after 5 minutes.
चीज b into b क्या होगा सर? b ही होगा.
b into
b
b into b. तुम आंसर बोलो, आंसर क्या आ रहा है तुम्हारा?
सर हम पूछ रहे सर b into
b
b
into
क्या
b
होता
b
है?
होता है, b होता है.
ओके ओके